CBSE Biology, Class 12, Chapter 5, Principles of Inheritance. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook. Questions are in yellow color while answers are white. How scientists came to know the cytological evidence of sex determination. The mechanism of sex determination has always been a puzzle before the geneticists. The initial clue about the genetic, chromosomal mechanism of sex determination can be traced back to some of the experiments carried out in insects. In fact, the cytological observations made in a number of insects led to the development of the concept of genetic, chromosomal basis of sex determination. Scientist named Henking, in the year 1891, could trace a specific nuclear structure all through spermatogenesis in a few insects, and it was also observed by him that 50% of the sperm received this structure after spermatogenesis, whereas the other 50% sperm did not receive it. Henking gave a name to this structure as the X-body. What exactly was X-body of Henking? Henking could not explain the significance of X-body. Further investigations by other scientists led to the conclusion that the X-body of Henking was in fact a chromosome, and that is why it was given the name X chromosome. It was also observed that in a large number of insects the mechanism of sex determination is of the XO type. Write in details about the XO type sex determination. All eggs bear an additional X chromosome besides the other chromosomes, autosomes. On the other hand, some of the sperms bear the X chromosome whereas some do not. Eggs fertilized by sperm having an X chromosome become females XX, and those fertilized by sperms that do not have an X chromosome become males XO. Grasshopper is an example of XO type of sex determination in which the males have only one X chromosome besides the autosomes, whereas females have a pair of X chromosomes. Which type of sex determination is seen in a number of insects, mammals including man, in a number of other insects and mammals including man, XY type of sex determination is seen where both male and female have same number of chromosomes. Among the males an X chromosome is present but its counterpart is distinctly smaller, called the Y chromosome. Females, however, have a pair of X chromosomes. How human beings and Drosophila have chromosome similarity. In human beings and in Drosophila, the fruit flies, scientist Morgan studied, males have one X and one Y chromosome, whereas females have a pair of X chromosomes besides autosomes. What is called male heterogamety? In the two types of sex-determining mechanisms, XO type and XY type, males produce two different types of gametes, either with or without X chromosome, or we can say, some sperms with X chromosome and some with Y chromosome. Such types of sex determination mechanism is designated to be the example of male heterogamety, in which we can see female heterogamety. In some birds, a different mechanism of sex determination is observed. In this case, the total number of chromosome is same in both males and females. But two different types of gametes in terms of the sex chromosomes are produced by females, that is, female heterogamety. In this case, the two different sex chromosomes of a female bird has been designated to be the Z and W chromosomes. In these organisms the females have one Z and one W chromosome, whereas males have a pair of Z chromosomes besides the autosomes.
End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email given below. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in the next video of CBSE Biology Class 12.